Welcome back viewers, and in today's video we'll be seeing the different ways of taking a screenshot on a macOS. I'll also be showing you some tips and tricks. So starting off with an entire screenshot for which you gotta press the keys Shift, Command and 3. So there you go, you can see the preview on the right bottom of the screen, and in a couple of seconds it gets saved on your desktop. There you go. And next off, how to capture a part of your screen, for which you've got to press the Shift, Command and 4. And you'll notice that your cursor turns into a crosshair. Then you just got to drag the area that you want to capture. And there you go, you can see the preview on the right bottom again. Next off, how to capture an open window, for which you got to press the same keys, that is Shift, Command and 4. But this time you got to press the space bar. So once you do that, your cursor turns into a camera kind of an icon. And once you hover on different windows, it'll get highlighted, and just click on the window that you want to capture. For example, this one. And there you go, the window is captured and it gets saved on your desktop. You want some advanced controls now, so go for a Shift, Command and 5. So once you press that, you'll notice this bar on the bottom, which give you different options that we already did just now. Selected window, part of the screen, but you also get this option to record the screen, so you can go for that too. So moving on to the tricks part of this video. So let's say you want to capture the screenshots, but you don't want them to get saved on your desktop unnecessarily. So you can go for a Shift, Command and Control is a secret key here. So press Control, and then I want to do an entire screen capture. So I go for 3. So here the entire screen is captured, but you don't see the preview on the right bottom, nor it gets saved on your desktop. So basically it's on your clipboard now. So go into any software. I go for a notepad here and I do a Command V, that is paste. And there you go, we have the screen captured, pasted there. Similarly, let's say you want to do a partial part of the screen. So you go for the normal shortcuts, but this time remember with the Control key pressed. So now let's say I want to capture this text here. So I drag that area and I go to the notepad and I do a Command V. There you go, we get it here. So now let's see how we can edit a screenshot before it getting saved. For this, let's do a normal entire screen capture here, for which you do a Shift, Command and 3. And once you get the preview of the screen on the right bottom, just click on it immediately. And then your screenshot opens up in a different window, which has different tools of pencil, sketch and all that stuff. So you can do your markings on the screen and write some comments and then just save it, for which you do a Command S. And that's it, it gets saved on your desktop. So let's open it up and see. There you go, you have your edited screenshot.
And as always, if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.